grass grows in the morning in my old Kentucky home. Fields of goldenrod adorning hills and meadows as I roam. The mighty majestic mountain views, garden nature's treasure. Lucky legend, the horseshoe lies motor bringing pleasure. Now living a Derby dream, Churchill Downs in Louisville. Watching sweet fun full, the roses bloom inside too many thrill. Some they win and some might lose, but julep toast our Derby dreams. Timeless taste of fortune being there living our Derby dreams. Living a Derby dream, Churchill Downs in Louisville. Watch the sweet